this video, I will show you how to link/unlink wallets to your Phantom Wallet account. So first of all, open up your Phantom Wallet app, and from your home screen, you're going to click on the account section at the top left. And right now, I'm going to click on the arrow down next to account 1. And from here, we can already see our accounts, and we can see the wallets that are connected to this account. So as you can see, I have 2 accounts in here, but let's say that you want to unlink one. Then let's say we want to unlink account 2. Then I'm going to click on the pencil icon. And in here, I'm going to click on remove account. So if you want to unlink it, just go and click on remove account, and then it will be gone in here. And if you want to add a wallet, let's say you want to add it back, then you're going to click on add wallet at the bottom left. And from here, you can basically create a new account, or you can import an existing wallet. And you can do this with your recovery phrase, for example, or your private key. So that is also why it's really important to store these in a safe place. So that is it for the video. That is how you can link/unlink wallets to your Phantom Wallet account. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.